Next point is the human respiratory system. Human respiratory system. This system includes in nostril, nasal chamber, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchus, bronchioles, lungs, intercostal muscles, and ribs, diaphragm, etc. Human respiratory system shows nose of human, or they include nose of human. सायंटिफिकली ऑब्झर्व करायचं आपल्याला नोज. जनरल नोज आपल्याला सांगायचं नाही या ठिकाणी की नोज कुणाचं नकटं आहे, कुणाचं काही तलवारीसारखं टोकदार आहे, या विषयावर आपल्याला बोलायचं नाही आहे. की ह्युमन नोज स्टडी करायचं आहे. नोज इज कन्सिस्ट इनटू external opening. External opening shows in diagram external opening of the nose. It is called nostrils. It is called nostril. Nostril is the external opening of nose. This opening conduct the air. This opening conduct the air from atmosphere and pass into respiratory tract. Next part of the nose is internal opening. Internal opening of nose. This opening opens into pharynx. It is opens into pharynx. Its function is the carry air. And third part of the nose is nasal chamber. Nasal chamber nasal chamber. The space between external opening and internal opening is called nasal chamber. The space between external and internal opening is called nasal chamber. Internally nasal chamber is divided right and left parts, through the cartilage. Through the cartilage is known as mesenteroid. Right and left parts divided nasal chamber through the cartilage is called mesenteroids. Further, nasal chamber again divided in three parts. First part is vestibule. Second part is respiratory part. Third part is sensory part. The vestibule is anterior part of nasal chamber. Vestibule is anterior part of nasal chamber. Nasal chamber shows in diagram. This is the nasal chamber. Space between external opening and internal opening, this space is known as nasal chamber. And nasal chamber consists in three parts. First part or the anterior part is known as vestibule. In vestibules, many hairs is present. Hairs present. Many hairs present for prevent dust particle into respiratory tract. Hairs is present. These hairs prevent dust particles into respiratory tract. Next part or the middle part of nasal chamber, it is called respiratory part. In a respiratory part, blood capillaries is present. This causes blood warm and moist blood. Warm and moist ear. No blood. Ear is warm and moist. At third part of nasal chamber, it is called sensory part. In this part, sensory epithelial cell is present. This cell detects smell of ears. This is the internal structure of nasal chamber. Shows in diagram only nose. Nose is consist into external openings, is consist into internal openings, is consist into nasal chamber. Second part of the respiratory systems is of pharynx. Head of man, this is a mouth. Oral cavity anteriorly, this is nose, backside of internal openings is nasal cavity. Pharynx is short and vertical tube. Pharynx is short and vertical tube. Its length is 12 centimeter in length. Anterior part of the pharynx opens into nasal cavity. nasal cavity, opens into nasal cavity. Nasal cavity, it is known as nasopharynx. Nasopharynx. Nasopharynx conduct air from nasal cavity or internal opening of the nose, and below the nasopharynx, lower part of pharynx is called oropharynx. Oropharynx opens into oral cavity. Second part of the pharynx is called oropharynx. Oropharynx opens into or the contact to oral cavity. Oropharynx conduct the food from oral cavity and passed to esophagus. And posterior part of the pharynx, laryngopharynx opens into larynx or esophagus. Pharynx is called dual organ. Pharynx is called dual organ. Its causes is pharynx conduction or the conduct ear and food tract cross in the pharynx. So it is called dual organ. Ask in NEET exam, what is the causes of pharynx is called dual organ. Any problem in pharynx? Next part of the respiratory system is larynx. In neck region, pass esophagus from the oral cavity. Esophagus. Front side of esophagus situated trachea. Trachea is present front side of esophagus. Anteriorly of the trachea, larynx is present. Larynx is called sound box. Opening of pharynx, opening of the larynx, entire ear from pharynx to this opening is known as glottis. Glottis is the opening of pharynx Glottis is the opening of larynx. Through these openings, air is passed in larynx from pharynx. Surrounding the glottis, guarded a valve is known as epiglottis. Epiglottis. Epiglottis is the valve of glottis. These epiglottis prevent dust particle, food particles enter into trachea. Prevent the dust particle, food particles enter into trachea, epiglottis. And below the glottis, in larynx, present vocal cords. Vocal cords present in larynx along the side of glottis. Vocal cords. Vocal cord is made of elastic tissue. Elastic tissue. Vocal cord is produce sound. Vocal cord is produce sound. On larynx, ask in exam, short note on larynx. Short note on larynx. At this point, larynx is a sound box. Larynx is present in neck region anteriorly of the trachea. Opening of the larynx, through these openings, air is passed from pharynx to larynx. It is called glottis. Guard a glottis. Surrounding the glottis, valve is present. It is called epiglottis. Epiglottis is prevents dust or food particles enter into trachea or respiratory tract. And next point is the vocal cords is present in along the glottis in larynx. Vocal cord is made of elastic tissue and vocal cords is produce sound. Oropharynx. Esophagus passes into neck region. Front side of the esophagus, trachea is present. Trachea, it is called windpipe. Windpipe, its length is 12 centimeter in length. Width is 2.5 centimeter in width. Trachea is present front side of esophagus. Runs downwardly into thorax. Internally, wall of trachea is made of fibrous muscular tissue, fibrous muscular tissue, and supported capital C shaped cartilage ring 16 to 20 in numbers. Cartilage ring is present. This ring is make trachea rigid. (16 to 20) cartilage rings present in trachea. Internally, trachea shows ciliated epithelium and mucus glands. These mucus gland and ciliated epithelial cell prevent foreign particles, dust particles removed from trachea. Immediately foreign particles enter into trachea, immediately expelled cuffing actions, dust particle or foreign particle exit from trachea, enter into esophagus through the larynx. Distal end of trachea divided into two parts. Distal end trachea is divided into two parts. This is known as bronchi. Distal end trachea divides into two parts, is known as bronchus. Bronchus or bronchi. Bronchi entire either side of lungs. Bronchi entire either side of lungs